Good day everyone. So for this time we will going to tackle about the printer sharing. So before that, let me discuss with you the objectives. It is to determine the step on how we use the printer sharing use in two devices and also to connect the devices to each other. Alright, so what is printer sharing? So when we say printer sharing, it is the process of allowing multiple computers and devices connected to the same network to access one or more printers. So now let us proceed to the materials that are needed before the printer sharing. These are the materials that we needed in our printer sharing. First, you need a 2PC or laptop, and also we have here a charger for our laptops in case of emergency, and then we have also here a printer, so any kind of printer, but I have here an Epson L3110, and then lastly the Wi-Fi. We need a Wi-Fi or any kind of Wi-Fi, but I have here a prepaid Wi-Fi. Okay, that's all. So now let us begin with our computer server and also the printer. So make sure that your computer server is already functioning, and also the printer must be connected in our computer. So just like this. Okay, and then turn on the printer. So, and then after that, I will show you how you manage your computer for our printer sharing, okay? So, hello everyone. For this time, we are here in our computer server. So once again, make sure that your computer server is connected to our printer, okay? Alright, so the things or the first step is to click this icon. This one. So as you notice, I am already connected with the PLTD Home Fiber. So right click and then click Open Network and Internet Settings. Double click and just wait. Once the settings is already appear, just find out the Network and Sharing Center. Alright, once you found out the Network and Sharing Center, just click it. Alright, so once you click it, okay, there will be an appear here, and please click the Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Again, please click the Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Okay, alright. So here in our change sharing option for different network profile, we will going to change a little bit for this time so that we can share our access, we can access our laptop and also our printer as well. Right now, let us proceed in a private or the current profile. Network discovery, let us turn on the network discovery. Next is the file and printer sharing. Let us turn on. Now let us proceed with the guest or public. So turn on the network discovery, file and printer sharing. Yes, of course, we need to turn on the file and printer sharing so that you have to share with this computer can be accessed by the people on the network, of course. Next is let us proceed with the all networks. Public folder sharing, let's turn on, and then file sharing connection. So here in our file sharing connections, in this Windows uses here is 128-bit encryption to help protect file sharing connections. Some devices don't support 128-bit encryption and must use 40 or 50 bits only. So yes, it depends on your laptop how many bits they are. So as you notice here on my laptop, I have here, we were going to use a 128-bit encryption to help protect file sharing connection. And then last is the password connected sharing. Alright, so the password protected sharing is on. Only people who have a user account and password on this computer can access the share files, printers attached to this computer, and the public folders to give other people access. You must turn off the password protected to sharing. Of course, I really like to protect my password, so I will going to turn off the password protected sharing and then save the changes. Okay, alright. After you save the changes, you can now proceed to the another PC or another laptop. Okay, so well, we are done in our server. For this time, we are here to another Windows. So yes, as you notice that this laptop is already connected through Wi-Fi only. Alright. So remember what we did in our computer server is the same process or the same steps. Alright, here in our laptop. So let us start. We're going to click here. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. And then find the network and sharing center. Double click. And then after that, you're going to find the Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Again, Change Advanced Sharing Settings. After you're going to click it, so this is looks like. So yes, it is the same, which is you're going to change a sharing option for different network profile so that you can access to another server and also with our printer. Alright, so we will going to turn the network discovery, file and printer sharing, turn on the file and printer sharing. Let us proceed with the guest or public, turn on the network discovery. Turn on the file, the printer sharing, and then all the network. Turn on the sharing so anyone with network access. And then of course here in the use of 128-bit, I'm going to use that. And then please turn off the password so that you can be protected any people who want to access your account. So and then save changes. Alright, so after that, okay, after this process, we will going to add the printer. So let us proceed that this PC, click this PC, find network. So here you are, double click and wait. Okay, alright. So, well, yes. Okay, as you notice, we only have one desktop that are already connected with our laptop. So, we will going to click this desktop 980 LG7J, which is the name of the desktop of our server. Double click and then find the printer. What is the name of the printer? So yes, I already said with you a while ago, the name of my printer is Epson L3110 series. So, and then right click connect. Wait, too fast. Alright, so well, it is already connected. Alright, so let us see. Okay, let us try it if it is functioning. I'm so sorry. If it is working. Okay, so let me Microsoft Word and wait for a few minutes again. Okay, and then after that, let us try to write it welcome. Okay, so let us try to print it out. Okay, so how are you going to print it? Click File and then find Print. Okay, but there is an easiest way to print it out. So the shortcut key is Control plus P. Okay, and then after that, we're going to take a look the printer if the printer is ready and available. Yes, it is Epson L3110 series and it is ready to print. So let us try to print out. Okay, let us wait. Okay, alright, so this is the output. So wow, that is the printer sharing. Okay, so printer sharing also will help you. Okay, it is the easiest way and very convenient as well if you are working to the office. So I hope you learned something with me about the printer sharing and see you for our next lesson. Okay, goodbye.